If your EGO battery suddenly stops working, won't charge, or shows unusual light behavior, there's a good chance it just needs a reset rather than a replacement. These batteries are built with internal protection systems that shut things down when they detect overheating, overload, or charging issues. When that happens, the battery can appear completely dead even though it's still perfectly fine. Instead of jumping to conclusions, resetting it allows the internal system to clear that protection state and return to normal operation. The process is simple, but timing matters if you want it to work correctly. Let's go through exactly how to reset your ego battery and get it back in action. Try these. 1. Remove the battery from the tool or charger completely. 2. Let it sit idle for a short period to cool and reset internally. 3. Press the battery indicator button to check any response. 4. Place the battery onto the charger and ensure proper contact. 5. Remove and reinsert the battery once charging begins. 6. Test it in your tool to confirm it's working normally again.